Hey friends, what if I told you there is still a way for your practice to get new patients during this time of uncertainty? New patients are there. They want to work with you, but you're going to have to shift the way you do marketing because your old ways may not work into this new future. As stay-at-home orders are slowly getting lifted and some practices are starting to reopen their doors, it is still important to connect and keep the lines of communication open to those who still don't feel comfortable stepping out and booking those appointments just yet. For that, we want to provide you with a strategy that will not only allow you to keep in touch with your audience, but also get them to want to schedule and book appointments with you in the upcoming months. So let's dive in. It'll be quick. Remember, the patients are there. They're just waiting for you to market them to eventually come into your office. The best way to reach them right now is by doing quick and informative how-to videos that can teach easy yet beneficial dental home care that they can do for themselves and their little ones. Stay away from pitching or selling. Just focus on teaching them and providing value. For example, I'm sure you have seen gym owners and personal trainers take the online teaching route. Since people cannot come to them, they are not teaching their clients and non-clients how to use different everyday household items like water gallons as weights to help intensify their workouts, or different routines they can easily do in their living rooms to help get their body moving and stay healthy while being quarantined at home. I advise you to take a book from their page. At this point, you need to consider where your audience is at now. They are no longer traveling around, most are at home. So you have to take that environment into consideration and provide educational content that will bring value to their lives in the now. As you provide valuable at-home dental care information, you can then take the next step, which is to invite them in for an appointment at your office in the near future, or if they like a virtual consult. Ideally, you would want to keep it at a minute because then you can easily share on your Instagram account without it being cut off, and Facebook as well. And let me provide you another insider tip. Facebook and Instagram ad spend is at its all-time lowest right now because a lot of people have turned off their marketing. That is a mistake. This is the time to turn it up and keep communicating with your audience. The only difference is that you are now not trying to pitch or sell to them every time. Now you are providing value to help them keep themselves healthy. Remember, conversation is the new marketing. It's not about pitching and selling. It's talking to and reaching out to your community and saying, hey, would you like any extra information? Is there anything else I can do for you? Or thanks for watching. What was the best part for you? We would love to know. It's about getting a conversation started. So as you provide this value and build that trust between your audience, you can start bridging that gap and recommend your next step by inviting them to book an appointment with you. Take the time right now to write down a list of video topics you can record today or in these upcoming days and schedule them on your social media calendar. Stick to providing value and patients will come to you. If you have any questions for us, please leave it in the comments below. We are here to help you and share our knowledge. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more helpful marketing tips to help grow your practice. Catch you next time. I hope this helps you out, and I hope to see some of your videos on Instagram and Facebook.